Okay, so we're continuing here with 8.6, solving rational equations. We're going to do example 2 in this video. So just like with example 1, our first step is going to be to figure out what x is not allowed to be. So at the end of the question, if we get that as an answer, we know it's an extraneous solution. So our first, so we're going to look at each denominator and see what x can't be. In this case, the denominators are the same, so we only have one thing. So we set the denominator equal to 0 and see that x is not allowed to equal -2. So x is not equal to -2. So you write that as a note to yourself, and then at the end of the question, we'll look back and make sure that we didn't get that as an answer. Okay, so for the actual solving, our first step is to figure out what the common denominator would be and then multiply by that. So again, both of these denominators are the same. So in this case, the common denominator is x plus 2. So we're going to multiply the whole equation, each piece, by x plus 2. So multiplying the first part by x plus 2, the x plus 2's are going to cancel. So we're going to get 2. Equals, and then here we don't have a denominator to cancel, so we're going to get 2 times x plus 2. And then here the denominators cancel, or the denominator cancels with x plus 2, and so we just get 1. And then we can distribute this and subtract the 1 to the other side. So we get 2 equals 2x plus 4 plus 1. Combine like terms, we get 2 equals 2x plus 5. Subtract the 5 to the other side, we get -3 equals 2x. Divide by 2, we get x is equal to -3 halves. So just like in the first example, we're just multiplying by the common denominator and then solving it like a normal equation that we've done 100 times. All right, so our last step is to check and make sure that our solution doesn't match the extraneous solution. It doesn't, so -3 halves is in fact the solution to this question. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next